100 Common English Mistakes. Welcome to our channel. Today we'll learn 100 common English mistakes people make in everyday conversations. I am agree. I agree. She don't like coffee. She doesn't like coffee. He have a car. He has a car. I am knowing him. I know him. Where you are going? Where are you going? I didn't went. I didn't go. I can to do it. I can do it. He is more taller. He's taller. I am here since Monday. I have been here since Monday. She can sings well. She can sing well. I am boring. I am bored. The news are good. The news is good. She married with him. She is married to him. Discuss about it. Discuss it. Return back. Return. Repeat again. Repeat. He explained me. He explained it to me. I look forward to see you. I look forward to seeing you. I am used to drive. I am used to driving. One of my friends. I have less books. I have fewer books. She is good in math. She is good at math. He arrived to school. He arrived at school. Different than me. Different from me. I prefer tea than coffee. I prefer tea to coffee. She is afraid from dogs. She is afraid of dogs. I am interested on music. I am interested in music. Married with her. Married to her. Listen music. Listen to music. Enter into the room. Enter the room. I didn't saw it. I didn't see it. She has ate lunch. She has eaten lunch. He has went home. He has gone home. I seen that movie. I saw that movie. She done her work. She did her work. We was happy. We were happy. They was late. They were late. There is many people. There are many people. Me and John went. John and I went. Between you and I. Between you and me. Small improvements every day create big results over time. I am very exciting. I am very excited. This is more easier. This is easier. He is oldest than me. He is older than me. Most fastest car. Fastest car. Very unique. Unique. More better. Better. Most happiest, happiest. More perfect, perfect. Much people, many people. Advice, a piece of advice. In my opinion, I think, I think. Free gift, gift. ATM machine, ATM. Pin number, pin. Advance planning, planning. End result, result. Past history, history. Basic fundamentals, fundamentals. Close proximity, proximity. New innovation, innovation. The more mistakes you recognize, the faster your English eye improves.